Turn it back on. So we're not on this second opinion call. We're not going to clean up anything. We're just literally giving a second opinion on everything. But on a second opinion, we check everything. So you see how that inducer was starting up. So it is getting older. So if you feel the top of the unit, if it's real super hot, that could be a heat exchanger problem. And in order to get to the heat exchanger, you got to take out the high limit here, high limit back there. And so now we got our igniter going on. That flames up, and then boom. So if you look at these flames in there, you can tell we have some kind of issue. Dirt, rust, something. It's burning something off. And you see the orange in those flames? That could be a cracked heat exchanger. We're not going to go there yet. It could be a number of things. It could be just the rust. We have our flame sensor to the left. We have our igniter to the right, burner. So usually on every furnace you have a diagnostic code, status of furnace, and that usually shows you in here in your lights. You just got to know how to read them. So this one says diag number 1, diag number 2, diagnostic, and then basically we have red and green blinking at the same time, fast. Normal operation signal when heating demand initiated at thermostat. So inducer is getting hot. I'm going to test it. I'm going to just test the amperage of it. And on the amperage, I just go to my AC with my amp clamp. So I check the blower here. So I got a 6.68. And then on my inducer, I check it right here. We have a 1.78. So let's see what our amp draw. Our amp draw is 1.8. So actually that inducer is still showing good. It's getting there. It's high amping, but it's still showing good. I mean, I guess not good, but it's working. So it'd be tough to. I do recommend a replacement of the system. I will too. Only because of how old it is. It's out of warranty. She does have home warranty company. They don't like to cover a lot of things, but I mean, I can give her a temporary solution or a permanent solution. Permanent is more of getting a new system. But yeah. So I'm thinking what happened more than anything, and why she had to call a service company in the first place, was this filter. The filter was restricting airflow to the system. And it's as small as changing a filter sometimes. We do have leakage here, so looks like it comes with the furnace, so yeah. But basically I'm just visually inspecting everything. There is a lot of rust on the burners. I don't smell any gas or anything. We do have gas leak detector in the truck. This gas valve is turned the opposite way. This is looks like a 48,000. Yeah. This is a 4-ton unit, so 4-ton units are a little bit more expensive. But that's it for this one. Hey YouTube, this video, the 2-part video is more about getting a second opinion, and more than anything, you should always get a second opinion, no matter what. Even if Hoosierman comes out, we check out your system, make sure you get a second opinion if you can. Some people charge for second opinions. We do not charge for second opinions. I mean, if it just feels good from the beginning, you know, and you feel like you don't need a second opinion, don't get one. But more than anything, what you saw in these videos was someone taking advantage of someone. That's the biggest thing that we do not do here, especially with people, because, you know, we don't want people to feel like we're stealing from them, because people work hard for their money. They want to keep their money, you know, and at the same time, they don't mind giving you their money and spending their money with you. But at the same time, don't take advantage of them when they're in a messed up situation, you know. And sometimes that messed up situation could just be their heat's not working or their AC's not working. And sometimes, you know, people take advantage of that. I'm not going to name what the company was that, you know, disconnected these wires and, you know, just try to come in and get the most they could. One thing I've learned through this all is when you take care of people, people take care of you. So, but what you've seen in the videos and all that good stuff was just me going over a second opinion. We wasn't fixing anything. We did connect the wires back to get the heat on, and that was pretty much it. They still need a new unit, AC unit, but let them be the decision maker on that. Don't make the decisions for them. And more than anything, that's what we're all about. Letting the customer make the choices that they want to make and not stepping on their toes to make them. But if you like the videos, please subscribe, like, hit the thumbs up button, and just continue to go out there and be the best you can be. That's it.